if this is done.
Don't worry, Brundir, I'm on your team.
Thank you.
Nice hat, Brundir.
You fucked my god parse, so sorry.
God. How dare you imply I would wear a hat to hide my glorious bro?
I mean, you're wearing a tabletop.
That was when I was learning.
You're fake news.
You're a fake person.
Just a heads up
Real
to.
person, I have feelings.
Just a heads up.
The realest thing about you is your depression.
In about 4 minutes, 5 minutes, there will be a tank bonus. So just heads up.
You fucking got me, but I'm gonna forget now. Fuck you.
12560.
That's like not even the first time I've forgotten either.
I'm with you.
I've forgotten that invuln like 3 times now, 4 times. Hard to press powered ground, alright man?
Oh, it's powered ground now?
No? I just can't speak, I guess.
That was a test. A test.
Probably the only test I've ever passed. That's hard. It hurt. Sure does, Trini. Sure does.
Thought for sure my teacher made a mistake because I haven't gotten grades back for something that we did like 2 months ago. So I asked her over email, I was like, hey, when are we gonna get this grade? Like, I thought she forgot to send it. She's like, oh yeah, I'm coming to you next week. This is the last week of school.
Dude, I didn't get grades back until like fucking 3 weeks after finals were
I want
over.
to try to kill it.
One.
Like, how am I supposed to know what I can slack on and what I can't slack on?
4.
Dude, true.
5.
I had that problem a lot.
6. 7. 8. I'm going to stop at 9. 9.
AP physics student who hasn't
10.
taken a test yet.
Oh god.
Yeah, it's really freaking me out because I have no idea if she's doing well or not.
I know.
AOE.
F equals MA, am I right?
That's true. Well, sort of.
So metal equals alcohols.
That's right.
No.
M times V, just a little momentum.
Lightning's on Brundir.
M times
Run in.
just a little momentum.
Subs.
I wish all school was memorized.
Ask
All
me.
schoolhouse rock songs.
M times V. As if that was really gonna help fucking anybody remember.
I
The
know.
simplest fucking
I still remember
formula ever.
ever, everybody needs to ever.
I don't remember any of those.
I mean, I'm sure.
Junction, junction,
Yeah,
what's
these
your
are
function?
Yeah, I remember that one.
And the one about Bill on Capitol Hill.
Oh yeah.
Oh wait, I'm
Elbow room.
Bill.
It's a jam.
Elbow room fucks.
brother man Bill.
That was wrong. Fucked.
Get orange beta from Myra.
I'm going to Mizu. We're just going to Mizu.
AoE.
Purple.
Thank you, sir.
Alright. Going to third water spot. Third water in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my
You just
god.
found it.
I have the orange beta to Amarillo.
Capitol Hill.
He throws up every.
Yes, the purple.
Purple drink here.
Purple bars? Huh?
Oh, purple drink. It's codeine and Sprite.
It's literally just cherry and grape Kool-Aid powder mixed together.
Shared tank buster on Triangle.
No.
And cough syrup. Don't forget the cough syrup.
Not a
Cough
pure
syrup.
substance abuse.
And the Jolly Rancher.
That's right, Vinny. That's right.
Where's that 5?
I may need help, Luigi. I'm
What with healing?
struggling.
Yeah, he has no MP.
As he casts,
Yeah, we're killing this really fast.
They're equal, guys. They're equal.
This is just one of those polls where we decide that, like, Cruz's family, like, they don't need to see him ever again.
Pots and he
Implying he didn't already murder them.
Yeah, he's a psychopath, dude. For real.
Fucking limit cutting us. Or limit cut his entire family.
He has a problem with that one. You look like you're jamming out, Mira.
Yeah, I know. I'm harping.
There's just enough time during that time spot, like before it happens, for me to completely zone out, forget about my pot, and use my pot last second.
Hey, man. Bad as a jail.
Pretty happy for you, buddy.
It feels good when you remember, right? At the last.
My brain is moving close,
That's pretty smooth.
My brain
Oh, what the fuck?
Pred all move.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Oh!
Sorry, Mizu. Sorry, I'll do it.
Oh my god, how dare you? Fucking fun.
I'm like always at the wall, so like when I'm the first time I'm not at the wall, so I'm like,
so yeah, I get what those crystals are. I'll tell you in a second.
My persona is a Trigender pirate cards.
Who asked you, bro?
shared sentence is on Mira. Shared.
Watch the hurt.
With big tits
Okay, I'll play. How big are the tits?
and penis.
Alright, those crystals are actually blue crystals. Which is why when we don't get it, he becomes mad.
Lol.
Oh, it's a good thing you reminded me about the Snake Buster here.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Because that shit would have distracted me.
In another like 5 or 6 minutes, you're gonna invuln a tank buster again.
Wow.
Focus up.
You're also gonna press 1, 2, and
Focus up.
2 and 3 super jump. Odds left, even right. Top right, Trinil, top right, top right, top right, Trinil, top right, top right.
firmly. Jesus fuck.
Are you gonna take it or not?
I have to take extra time to get to know it.
I can tell. Battle reprisal at the end of the cast. Evoke when you want.
I don't have that button.
You'll grow it.
White Mage's provoke button used to be called Medica too.
Yeah.
When there was no ninja.
You have one. You just don't know it.
Fucking hate that shit.
It used to be a lot worse. They actually had to patch it to reduce the aggro on it. Shield is the high bar. What the Frontier?
65.
Okay.
Check this shit out. Bonk. 54.
Hold.
57.
I mean, he's got 3% life. It's a lot of
Yeah, you
life.
can go.
54. 58.
Wow.
58. That's the highest I could do. I'm sorry.
You've been told to hold and you're still just pumping out all that mad beeps.
Telling you to hold so I can pump out those mad beats.
He's just sitting there letting his autos go. Fun. It's like he's trying to sabotage everyone's like resource building.
God, you're right, that limit break really is just... Okay, let's get another clear in.
Way to jinx us. Don't forget your pots. Don't forget your sides. Respect your women's and the mechanic.
Mechanics before women.
Did you hear that they're making typewriters so easy to use that women cannot use them? Just wanted to say
I mean, that's good. More people can use typewriters, I guess.
that.
Hey,
Monkeys can use
okay,
women.
get ready for stillness first again.
Yeah, focus up, and you're ready for pots.
Use your drugs.
Putts.
The dude runs.
I would never forget my drugs.
This is a context. in
Make
which
sure you're
we're-
ready if you're just on a beacon here. You also coming?
Definitely stop if it's still there.
Spam jump.
Escape.
Let's Spam escape and wait. Yep.
Oh my fucking god, Alma. I saw that.
Oh yeah, I time it, don't worry.
Get off of me.
I got it now.
Don't
I'm
worry.
just spreading the bill there.
Whenever Amaryllis makes a mistake, it makes me feel good.
Oh, I saw him auto right out of the,
Severity.
Like, as we
Avoid
know.
shared stack. Stillness first.
Stillness first.
Hardy. Stillness
Back
second.
left. Back left. Stillness twice. So. Okay, get your spot and stand still.
Stillness first.
Keep standing.
Stop everything.
All our cooldowns training.
Beats up.
Divin 5. Divs up.
There's an asylum down for the tanks.
Thank you, sir.
Go a little bit north, trying so you can get it. I don't have anything to spot you with, good.
Purple. Bar tethered. E then S.
I am no debuff. Purple.
On the south, Heather.
I'm light beacon.
6 ones is part.
Now shared
I
or
am
split.
the dark short.
Now shared or split. Shared again. So light north, dark south,
Sacrament South.
Who's our
and
north
south. Shared and then south.
That's great. Shared south.
Okay, remember your colors.
Shared and south. Wait for the super jumps. Light north, dark south.
Sacrament South.
Sacrament south. job getting that.
First set of defensive cooldowns are up.
Alright, get off of me. It's my tank buster. Go ahead and invoke. Use Rampart Shadow Wall.
Okay, get ready for wave 1 of mitigation. Okay, wave 1. Center and then 4.
Living toward north.
Second set of defensive cooldowns are up.
Alright, get ready for wave 2.
Hold your offensive cooldowns.
Remember to mitigate.
Okay, wave 2. Wave 2, defensive cooldown. 3 and then 4. 3 and then 4. Make sure you're lined up properly.
Angular pot.
And then break. Pot now.
Gives up.
Out of voice.
I'm fine, he doesn't auto me anymore.
Yeah, I didn't even heal after that trying. Yeah, we're definitely good here, but keep chugging. Get those parses.
I need my parse. I need my purple.
My parse is probably gonna be better than before if I had to guess. I got all my blood lilies off, didn't miss a single one.
Ooh, that was one like fast from
really
Stitchin.
good.
I saw all that shit.
I want to get my refulgent.
Yep, 86k. That was our best kill time.
Thing
Let me upload that chat.
I damn